Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're opening up another Sephora Play box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Okay guys, welcome back. So again, we're opening up another Sephora Play box. For those of you who don't know, Sephora Play is $10 a month, and what they do is they give you luxury, high quality brand sample and deluxe sizes. So I like this box because the quality of the products are more higher than usually what you'll get in like an Ipsy or something like that. So kind of what I do is usually compare both of the boxes so you guys can make a decision which one wins on your side. For me, usually Sephora Play does win just because of the high quality brand products that do come in the box. So usually it's like 5 or 6 products and they'll put like a bonus in there, but I really love this box. So, and plus for the price, you know, you get to try Sephora Sephora products, especially if you don't have like a Sephora near you. So this is a good way, or if you don't want to go to the mall to try out samples, this is a good way for you to try new products. So every month the box comes like this. So that's what it looks like, just like their brand. So you see that there. And then, so that's what it looks like. So we are gonna open up the box, and then inside, I haven't opened up a Sephora Play box. I actually canceled it a couple months ago. It's been a while for me, but here we are again. Just want to get back into it and see if anything has changed. So that's what it looks like inside, and you get like these Sephora Play cards that every box has a different theme inside, and normally you get like some sort of points. I don't see anything like that here, so maybe that has changed. So yeah, I guess you don't get points anymore. All right, so that's a new change, but every box there's a different theme here, and this one has like a Play Award goes to, and just different products that I guess different things that were like the main products of each month for the year. So those are the ones that won last year. So if you guys want to check that out, you can definitely take a screenshot and further take a look. And then on the other side, you get all the products that are in this box. So we're just gonna go one by one and see what's in this package. So the very first item I have here is actually my bonus. So this is from Living Proof. And this is a no frizz nourishing styling cream. So as you can see, that's a sample size there, and this says this silicone free color safe cream, smooth hair texture, and moisturizes for a polished look that's ready for any occasion. And obviously this is just one time, so I'm not going to open that up to take a look, but I like Living Proof, so I don't mind getting that sample in my box. All right, and the very next item here that I know my husband's actually going to steal from me is the Sol de Janeiro body cream. I love this body cream, and I think that's probably what made me resubscribe to it. So Sol de Janeiro, I actually have the full-size product of this, and I believe it's like $45. And I'll have all the information on my blog. You guys can check those products out. I think this is $45 if I'm not mistaken. But this one is Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and it says, let's give a round of applause to the fast absorbing body cream that helps smooth skin with nourishing ingredients. So I love this one because I love the way that it smells. And then I love it because it has like a buttery, people compare it to popcorn. I don't think it's popcorny, but I love it. I love the way that it smells. So that's 2 good things in the box. All right. So the very next thing we have here is from Bobbi Brown. This is a long wear cream shadow stick, so you guys can see that there. And it's in golden pink. So this shimmering pinky peach eyeshadow stick is the cream of the crop. It easily glides onto lids and stays in place for up to 8 hours. So as you can see, it's not a small size product, and Bobbi Brown is very expensive. I know that for sure. So this is not bad, and that's the color there. So we're gonna do a swatch real quick just to see how this one looks. And you guys, I don't know if you can see that because of the lighting, but it's right there. So that's pretty, like a pretty light pink shade. So if I wanted to, I can definitely put that there. So I'm not mad at that one at all. And then we have this is from Tarte Cosmetics. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is that's Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. So it's a moisturizer, and let's take a look and see. And it smells pretty good, so you guys can see that there. Not bad. Again, you guys will get the information on my blog, so if you're looking at this on my blog, you can check them out. And it says, when your moisturizer soothes and refreshes the skin, fight free radicals, and plumps the look of fine lines, it deserves all the praise it gets. So this is really good. And it reduces the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, all that stuff. Hyaluronic acid has all that stuff, so that's good. And then we have, I think we have 2 more products. So then oh, you know what I forgot to tell you guys? It comes in a bag like this every month. So you guys can, I save these, especially now that in next year I'm gonna start doing giveaways. So you guys will probably get this. So when I do my giveaways, I'll put them in here. So then, I'm not too sure what this is. It's pretty small. Oh, this is Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is Dip Brow Gel in dark brown. So this is brow gel. So obviously this is not the full size, but at least you get to try it. That's what the wand looks like. So good sample size. And then, excuse me, last but not least, this is from Urban Decay, and this is All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. It says it's a contender for the coolest setting spray. This formula actually lowers the temperature of makeup to help it stay in place and look vibrant for 16 hours. So that's super crazy. And you don't need a lot of setting spray, so this is not a bad size at all. So there you go. That's what it is. Okay. So let us do a recap on the bag. So of course we have the bag, but we're gonna put that to the side. So let us do a recap on everything that we got in here. So first we got the, we'll go backwards. So we got the Urban Decay setting spray, so we have that. And then we have Bobbi Brown, the eyeshadow stick, not bad. And then we have from Tarte Cosmetics, we have that boosting moisturizer. We have Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. And then we have Living Proof. That was our bonus. So what did you guys think of this beauty box? I know every month, the boxes are curated to your profile because, excuse me, I know I have curly hair, so it's frizz. My concerns are frizz. So they do give you a profile where you can take a quiz and see what fits best for you. So from my experience, these have been curated for me. So I love it. Oh, and we forgot the Anastasia Beverly Hills. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Do you guys get Sephora Play? I love them because I like that these are curated, especially for me. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.